All right, now let's start afresh. When I say fresh means like let's go ahead and ask our custom GPT anything which is related to from the latest information itself, and let's see what it says, right? And the best thing to ask here is about Sam Altman itself. What I believe is the latest topic which has been through at least at the time of recording when I'm doing, right. So he's been in the news for all wrong reasons or right reasons. I don't know about that. I don't want to comment about that as well. But before that, let's look at this particular setting itself. Like this is the additional settings. Use conversation data in your GPT to improve our models, and this is by default checked. And I prefer to get remain this checked so that it can OpenAI can train our conversations and further improvise our GPT itself. But let's go ahead and ask about Sam Altman. Can you tell me about latest controversy which happened recently with Sam Altman? And let's see what it says here, like because this is the recent event, and that is what I wanted to test with this web explorer, so that I can test its capability in terms of internet surfing. And let's see what it brings out. And this is thinking out and doing research with Bing being the latest plugin for search as far as OpenAI is concerned, because Microsoft is backing this particular OpenAI project, and also ChatGPT is embedded into Bing. So Bing is now one of that most advanced version of search, which with particularly with I am saying is with actually intelligent big intelligence baked in, right? So now it's you see that this is what it is trying to get us, and this is what it has brought us, right? So, and this is still bringing in, and looks like, and this is what this is the concise model first. And if you like to elaborate this one, so this is obviously going to elaborate this, and this is what it is. And let's understand this the entire story over here, right? So this is abrupt ousting, which says like Altman was removed as CEO of OpenAI by the board members on November 18, 2023. This decision was made following a review process by the board, which concluded that Altman was not consistently candid in his communication with them and affecting their ability to perform their duties, which is explicitly what it has mentioned in the blog of OpenAI. So this is done that absolutely correct research and brought us that exact information which we were looking for, right? So this is the test which I wanted to do, like whether it's doing correctly or not. And this is what it has related to that particular information. Other informations like employee reactions, like approx 95% of a staff amounting around 700 employees, which is quite a bit, threatened to resign in protest. And then Microsoft's role is following his removal, Altman joined Microsoft, leading an AI research wing at the company. Microsoft CEO Nadella publicly supported Altman and supported offers to recruit OpenAI employees as well, who threatened to quit. You see that what was happening, that entire team was getting shifted to Microsoft then. And then internal memo and speculations which was then circulated, and continued involvement and reactions despite his removal. Altman expressed his commitment to ensuring OpenAI's continued success. And Ilya Suspect, this is tough for me to pronounce, I'm just skipping that. OpenAI's chief scientist and board member who fired Altman expressed regret over his participation in the board's action and emphasizing his intention to reunite with the company and whatsoever. But at least the gist is like this is working fine. So now the next piece which it comes is about saving and publishing. So let's check that out into the next video itself.